Hi everyone, so today I'll be making a rainbow loom bracelet. It looks like this. I know it's a little weird, but I like it. And you can make it on any loom. You just need 2 pegs. Oh, the lighting is weird all of a sudden. What is it? We'll live with it. But I'm going to be using a monster tail because that's what I just have and it's small and easy. You could use a finger loom, mini loom, or just 2 pegs on a normal loom. You could use 2 pencils if you wanted. I'm just using a monster tail because that's what I feel like using, and I dropped it. Right there. So, what this looks like, again, like I've done for the last few videos, I have no idea what it's going to be named. Just check the title if you want to know what it's named. And for this I'm going to be using green where the orange is in this bracelet, and purple where the yellow is. And you're going to need a hook, unless you're using a finger loom, then you don't need a hook. And you're also going to need a C-clip. So let's just get started. So take the loom, I need my green bands. You take the loom. I'm going to just use these 2 metal pegs here. I won't focus. There it goes. And I'm going to just lay one with an X in the middle like that. This whole bracelet is single banded, just basically a single chain. And then I'm going to lay a band on top of this. No twist in the middle. And I'm going to pull the bottom one, which is the one with the twist in the middle, up and over to the center on both sides. Now that's the cap band. That doesn't count in our pattern, which is 3 chains and then this bump thing. So that first one doesn't count. So now this one that's still this way is band 1. And then this is band 2, which is a single chain basically. Like that. That's a nice band 2. Band 3. Just single chain like this. And now, like I said, it's 3 chains in the bump thing, but you need a 4th chain to attach the bump thing to. So we need a 4th chain, so it's 4 chains. Not counting the cap band. So now I'm going to need my purple bands. You only need 2 for the little weird things that stick out. You take one, and you wrap it around like that. Purple band, purple hook, not the best choice, but we'll live with it. And then you take it, and you double it again, so it's 4. Then you take one, or you can wrap it 3 if you like. I like 4. Take a single band and pull that onto it. Just like that. And then you pick whichever side. At the moment, it doesn't matter. You pick one side. I'm going to go with this one. Slide this up on your hook a little bit. Grab this band. Hold down on the other side so it doesn't pop off. And pull this off. And then slide this purple onto this band. Just slide it right on like that. And then put the green back on without dropping it and making a whole big mess. Like that. And now you just single chain like normal again. You do 1 band. Like that. And then 2. But when I say 2, I don't mean double band. It's just band number 2. Everything is single banded in this bracelet. And then band 3. And band 4. And now we need to make another one of the little purple things. So again, you take 1 purple band, double it on your hook, and then you make it quadrupled. Then you take another single band and pull it through this. Just like that. And now this time it actually matters which peg you do it on. You see, if you look at it straight down like this, and you hold the chain straight, you see I put the purple on this side last time, just to make it like even on both sides. You want to do it on the other side, so see how it's right here? I did it on this side, now I want to do it on this side. So I grab this one like this, hold down on the other side, pull it off the peg, and slide the purple on without letting go of the green. And then you just put it back on. Just like that. And then you do 4 more green again. So 1, like that. 2, like that. 3, and 4. Just like that. And now we need another purple thing. Remember, doubled, then quadrupled. And then you take a single band and pull it through this little wadded band thing you made, like that. And then you maybe straighten out your bracelet. You see how the last one was on this side. So now I want to do it on this side, so I'm just going to turn it around so it's easier. Hold down this side, pull off this side, pull the purple thing over onto the green band. Which is easier said than done sometimes, because sometimes the purple band, or whatever color you're using, is not cooperative. And then it should look something like that. And then you do 4 more. And as you look at my bracelet size, your arms are different than mine. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the little bump things. And then I just did the last 4 chains and then hooked it off. And now I have 3, so I'm about halfway. I'm close to halfway done. So I'm going to do 1. And then loop. It's a single chain in between the little bump things. 2. 3. And 4. And now we need another little purple bump thing. So I need 2 purple bands. Take the first one, double it on your hook, then double that because it's quadrupled. Then take a single band, pull it through this, and then put it back on your hook like that. And then you take your bracelet, straighten it out so you can see which side the things are on. So the last one I did, sometimes they get weird, you just take them and tug on them a bunch. They want to turn around backwards weirdly. If you look, I did the last one on this side, so I'm going to do it, or on this side. Hold down this side, take the other side off, and pull your little purple thing onto it. And then take a green and put it right back on the same peg you just came off of. So it looks like that. And then we do 4 chains again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was 4, right? Yeah, this is 4. So it looks just like that. Now I only need 2 more little bump things. I'm going to go ahead and do them off camera. You can just rewind the video and watch how to do the first ones. And I'll be right back. So I'm back. And I just got, now I have 6 of the little bump things. And I just finished my 4th chain, which is where if I was making this continue, I would add another little bump thing. But since this is my arm size, I'm going to be done. So basically you just take it like this. You take your hook and you put it in the one, so it's like you were going to pull your little thing off. But instead of doing that, you go like this, and you stick it back down in the other side of the band, and then you pull it out. Just like that. And then you take out a C-clip. And you just C-clip the end together, so it doesn't fall apart. And then you just take that, and you figure out which direction it's not twisted, which is like this for me, I think. And then you just figure it out, the cap band, make sure it didn't get weird. Yeah, this is how it goes. And when you figure out it's not twisted, you just bring the ends together and hook the cap band onto the C-clip. And then boom, you have a bracelet. It's a little weird, I know. So if you like these, like rainbow bracelets, give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you would like. I think I figured out a way I could make this. It's the same bracelet, it would just be made with a fishtail instead of a single chain. So comment down below if you would like that, and even if you don't comment, I might still make it because I'm weird. And subscribe. Bye!